Okay, so in today's video, unboxing the mail that I received today from AliExpress. Nickel strip. Thickness is 0.2 mm. The width is 10 mm. 10 meters length. If copper coated with nickel AC to weld compared to a pure copper, and I got a small piece because this is expensive. This is 0.2 according to the description, so I don't need to check it. This is the second pulse. It shows 90. That's 90, and the first pulse is 60. That's it. First pulse 60. The time interval is 99 milliseconds before the second pulse. So that's it. And I spot directly to the battery. I hope it's true that the copper coated with nickel, it's easy to weld. Compare well, the result is still the same. It didn't weld. And look at the copper, just like a rainbow. It creates three colors. So the result is the same. That even though it's already coated with nickel, still it's hard to weld copper coated with nickel. But I'll try with nickel strip at 0.15. So this is 0.15 nickel strip. I just got a small piece for trial. This is the copper coated with nickel. Well, it weld, but it cannot weld only copper coated with nickel. It needs a strip firmly weld. Like I said, firmly weld, just one spot. This because of that, I forcefully strip it out, and the result is small hole. So there's a small hole on this one, but the other side now is none. So the copper coated with nickel, it cannot weld without nickel strip right on the top. Still need a nickel strip to firmly weld. So thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.